How do eutrophic levels affect water quality? Eutrophication is when the environment becomes enriched with nutrients. This can be a problem in marine habitats such as lakes because it can cause algae blooms. Why is eutrophication bad? Eutrophication can cause a series of effects like algae blooms that block light from getting into the water, harming the plants and animals that need it.
How does phosphorus affect the growth of algae? Nitrogen and phosphorus support the growth of algae and aquatic plants, which provides food and habitat for other fish, shellfish, and smaller organisms that live in the water.
An aquatic ecosystem is an ecosystem in a body of water. The two main types of aquatic ecosystem are marine ecosystems and freshwater ecosystems. Some freshwater ecosystems consist of lennox, slow-moving water, including pools, ponds, and lakes, lodic, fast-moving water, example streams and rivers. Freshwater ecosystems are a subset of Earth's aquatic ecosystems. They include lakes, ponds, rivers, streams, springs, and wetlands. Freshwater rivers are often home to varying species, insects, reptiles, fish, birds, mammals, turtles, such as turtles, ducks, otters, crocodiles, catfish, dragonflies, and crabs can also be found in rivers all around the world. The Amazon rivers can even be home to a rare pink freshwater dolphin. Plants in freshwater ecosystems may include water lilies, algae, duckweed. They float on the surface, while cattails and reeds grow along the shoreline of many freshwater ecosystems.
Ecosystems can be classified into two main categories: terrestrial ecosystems, where an organism environment interacts on land, and aquatic ecosystems, where plants and animals and their physical environment interact in water. All of life in freshwater ecosystem is dependent upon the availability of light and nutrients. For an aquatic ecosystem, factors include light levels, water flow rate, temperature, dissolved oxygen, acidity or pH, and depth. Light levels are very important for an aquatic ecosystem. Light is needed for plants to perform photosynthesis, the process of a plant turning light into energy. Density. Saltwater is denser than freshwater due to sodium chloride dissolved in it. This means that the specific volume of saltwater is heavier than the same volume of freshwater. Warmer saltwater is less dense than colder saltwater, which results in the most cold water sinking to the ocean floor. Most fish live either in saltwater or in freshwater. Saltwater pearls have a thinner narcin coat ranging from 0.5 millimeters to 6 millimeters. Freshwater pearls, on the other hand, are made almost entirely of narcins. The reason for this difference being the core piece, the one around which the narcissus forms. in freshwater pearls is a lot smaller than the saltwater ones. Brackish water contains most commonly occurs when freshwater meets saltwater. In fact, it is the most extensive brackish-water habitat worldwide in the estuary where the river meets the seawater. The source of all main fresh water is precipitation from the atmosphere in the form of mist, rain, and snow. Fresh water falls as mist, rain, and snow contains materials dissolved in the atmosphere, the materials of the sea and land above, over which the rain-bearing clouds have traveled. I hope you enjoyed this video.